starting a YouTube channel. Let's try all the level.
Then what?
So I need to like the things. The thingy.
Yeah, bro, that's my Havel.
Whoa, say hi.
Aha, you're a girl.
What the hell?
Yes, if you touch pink, you are a girl.
I
Aha,
touched pink.
you are a girl. You're not a boy. I'm not gonna send this to YouTube. So that's why you don't have any followers.